Hi everyone, and welcome to another installment of Road Choice TV. I'm Justin, your host, and this is episode 3 in our fan clutch series. Today, we're going to use a Road Choice 2-speed kit to upgrade an on-off fan clutch to a 2-speed fan clutch. Now here's why this is a great upgrade. The on-off type fan clutch is still widely used on over-the-road trucks. The design is dependable and inexpensive. However, a 2-speed fan clutch has newer technology preferred for vocational applications, especially those that perform at low speeds. Think garbage trucks, school buses, inner-city routes, vehicles that operate with limited ram air. The 2-speed design offers a higher off speed which assures some residual cooling at all times, so the fan clutch won't cycle as often. Reducing engagement cycles means better fuel economy, more available horsepower, longer fan clutch life, and less noise. A 2-speed fan clutch alternates between eddy current and spring-actuated cooling. The eddy current is generated by a metal ring in the new fan mounting friction disc that comes in close proximity to magnets mounted to the pulley. The magnetic eddy current turns the fan between 400 and 600 RPM, which meets most cooling requirements for AC, charge air coolers, or transmission oil coolers. The 2-speed will also spring actuate when more cooling is required to run the fan at full RPM. All of this means you're getting better control of engine temperature. Okay, now that we know why we're upgrading, let's get started. The process is almost identical to repairing an on-off fan clutch, which we did in episode 2. Here, we've rebuilt the fan clutch exactly like we did last episode. We've installed the new quad seal, applied plenty of grease, and we're ready to install the new 2-speed components. Now this next step is an easy one. The new 2-speed clutch comes with components pre-assembled, so you can simply set it in place. Now make sure to rotate it 180 degrees to seat the quad seal. Now we're simply going to replace the liner screws, torque them to proper spec, and your 2-speed Road Choice fan clutch is ready to go. Now we suggest you actuate the clutch a few times using shop air to seat all the seals. You should also rotate it to make sure the bearings are smooth and nothing feels like it's binding. Now you're ready to reinstall your new 2-speed fan clutch on the truck. Now since the basic pneumatic function of a 2-speed is identical to a spring-engaged on-off fan clutch, there's no need to replumb the solenoid valve. However, we do recommend replacing the solenoid valve as a preventative maintenance measure whenever you repair or replace a fan clutch. These valves are also available from Road Choice. Now as you've seen, Road Choice 2-speed fan clutch kits make upgrades fast and easy. They're truly a superior choice for engine cooling repairs and upgrades. To learn more, visit your nearest Road Choice parts counter. And remember to check out our products, catalogs, and videos at roadchoice.com. If you have questions about this or any other Road Choice TV episode, send me an email to justin@roadchoice.com and I'll get you an answer. And be sure to like and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter for the latest Road Choice products, announcements, and special offers. Well, thanks for watching and keep coming back for new episodes. We're here to give you information and tips that you can put to use right away to keep your truck performing at its best.